Welcome, everyone. Let's dive into the sequential stage in DataStage. Think of it as the well-behaved librarian of your data pipeline, keeping things orderly. It reads and writes structured data, supports multiple formats, and gives you enough configuration options to feel like a data wizard. Stick with me, and I promise we'll make this topic both insightful and entertaining. Hi, everyone. I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Picture the sequential stage as a friendly postman delivering data between systems. Whether it's plain text or structured files, this stage ensures smooth transfers. It's all about moving data seamlessly while giving you the controls to adapt to different scenarios. Hang tight, we're just getting started. Why do we need sequential stage? Well, imagine organizing a chaotic garage. This stage helps read and write different data formats effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with structured or unstructured data, integrating formats, or making data processing a breeze, this is your go-to tool. Trust me, once you grasp its utility, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Reading data shouldn't feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. With sequential stage, you can pull data selectively, handle vast volumes without breaking a sweat, and even parse and transform it along the way. It's designed to keep things simple, because we all have better things to do than wrestle with messy datasets. All right, let's start with a classic dilemma: sequential vs. parallel execution. Imagine washing dishes. Doing one at a time is sequential, while multitasking with a dishwasher is parallel execution. Sequential is simpler but slower. Parallel boosts efficiency but can get tricky. Picking between them depends on what you're working on. Trust me, you don't want to parallel process tasks that need careful coordination, like making a sandwich and answering emails. Mixing sequential and parallel execution is like making a perfect cup of coffee. Too much of one method throws everything off. You wouldn't want boiling water before grinding the beans. Blending these execution styles helps optimize workflows, ensuring speed without chaos. The trick is knowing where each fits best so your process runs like a well-oiled machine rather than a recipe for disaster. Let's talk best practices, because no one wants a process that feels like watching paint dry. First, planning ahead saves headaches. If steps aren't clear, you'll be stuck halfway like a lost tourist. Keep dependencies low to avoid delays, kind of like not waiting for the milk to boil before adding cereal. And always review efficiency. Just because something works doesn't mean it can't be better. Pitfalls like stepping on Lego bricks. First mistake: overcomplicating things. If your process is harder than solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, simplify. Ignoring dependencies. That's like baking a cake without checking if you have eggs. Testing is a must, because fixing mistakes later is never fun. And adapt. Just because something worked once doesn't mean it's perfect forever. Let's get real, execution models aren't just for tech geeks. Developers balance sequential and parallel workflows to optimize performance. Factories follow structured workflows so that cars don't end up with missing wheels. Project managers use execution strategies to keep teams running smoothly. Even daily tasks apply. Ever tried cooking multiple dishes at once? That's parallel execution in action. And that's a wrap. Execution models shape workflows everywhere from tech to kitchens. The key is balancing sequential and parallel tasks wisely. Stick to best practices, dodge pitfalls, and you'll boost efficiency like a pro. Now go forth and apply these strategies. I promise your workflow and your sanity will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.